What's up guys, Moto here. My bike's still cold so I'm not pushing it, but yeah, it's kind of raining, a little bit drizzling. I hope my camera doesn't get fucked up though, because it's not in a waterproof case. So I gotta get higher and make the motovlog. When it starts pouring again, I'm gonna go back home. But yeah, what's this car doing? It's kind of annoying, but yeah. Sorry if I keep tapping the camera, because it's obviously raining, so. Okay. Yeah, it's raining pretty good. So yeah. I gotta get out here and make a motovlog for you guys. So, yeah, it's kind of a rainy motovlog day. I've never done one of these actually. Oh, that's 6-gear pinning when it's cold. This is the first, I guess you could say. It's like slowly starting to rain harder. Out there for a couple minutes and got my boots on today. I don't know, I've been just breaking in my boots. They feel pretty good to ride in, to be honest with you guys. Roads are kind of slippery as well. Got some four-wheelers up here. Shitty little DRZ. We'll stop. Yeah, these boots are getting broken in today. Oh yes, it's all patted down. Oh yes, please give it to me. Woohoo! Dude, these trails are like Zeg Attack. You know how he does that little whoo noise? It's kind of cringy, but. Woo! Okay. Woo! 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 I sound like Zeg Attack. Wow, the sand feels so great. Kids are probably smoking back here. To be honest with you guys, this area is actually pretty good. It's all nice and wet out here today. I don't know, my bike has been sounding crispy lately. I don't know what the hell's going on. To be honest. let's actually go back over that ways. Well, it's really nice out here today, to be honest, because the best time to come out in this riding spot is when it's wet. Popping this bad boy out. Woo! Woo! Bro, this is so fun. Like, it's really hard to have fun out here, believe it or not. But you can have fun, you know. Yeah. So guys, I don't know what to talk about today. Basically, we hit 2K, which is epic. If you guys didn't see my edit, I recommend checking that bad boy out. But we hit 2K. Sorry, I'm out of breath. But we hit 2K, which is dope as fuck. And yeah, let's go for 3K, guys. I'm gonna need a new spark plug. So I just changed the shit too. It's kind of gay, but oh, and I have boots on, by the way. I'm wearing gear today. Yeah. Alright. Let's do, guys. Let's go in that bowl over there. That thing is fun as hell. This little bowl section right here is the most funnest thing ever. I'm telling you guys. Just get down low on it. Woohoo! Kinda gotta be a power band for it, but ow! Just kind of cut myself on some little vines right there. Something's going on with my bike. It's like bobbing in and out. Oh, I'm fishtailing like hell. Go out here in the strawberry fields. Woo! Is that part open right there? Yes, it is. Let's get into these back trails over here. Woo! Recently, guys, I have been feeling off-road like hell. Like trails and the dunes, and my bike is bobbing out. I think my carb needs to be cleaned or rebuilt or something, guys. But yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna rebuild this bike soon. Whenever I get the money and shit. You know? I don't know why people are, that's a big pothole. Woo! I don't know why people are so scared of potholes. Like, I mean, I can see why, but like, just gas over him, you know? Just trying to go over here. My knee's like getting like bruised up from riding on it.